Everything you do in your business, whether you succeed or fail, you take that with you to the next venture, right? And it just makes you
Absolutely.
stronger, and it makes you more brilliant, and there's more you can do. And so for me, I was like, I'm going to, take promotion and add to this. I'm going to add entertainment as well. And so I speak on stages all over the globe, big audiences, thousands and thousands of people. I love it. It's edutainment. I get that entertainment out of me. I've lent my personality to our business. And here's what happened. So, and we didn't. All we did was we created this marketing model to bring more business into 123 Employee. But there was a hidden benefit, two benefits really, that changed everything for us. One was we built a brand, right? I like to think that when entrepreneurs think about outsourcing, they think about 123 Employees. So we built a brand, and that's huge, right? When somebody says, "Oh, we need to outsource that," who should we call? Oh, let's call 123 Employee. That doesn't cost us any money, right? It's already been baked in. So it's great marketing for us, but also this is really huge. So we have built a company culture at 123 Employee that pervades our walls. So it's not just something that our employees experience, it's something that our prospects and clients experience, call them fans, okay? And the way they experience is it's through our marketing, it's through the brand we built, it's through my vlogs, it's through the blogs, it's through the email series, it's through the books, it's through, which I'm on my 10th book right now, and now I'm a New York Times bestseller. And so what happens is this. I'll give you a perfect example. So we talked about the brand recognition, right? If they think about outsourcing, they think about 123, but here's another one. So I'm in the people business. Unfortunately, people are not machines, right? And so we strive to have the perfect business, but the reality is I'll never have a perfect business, right? People are fallible. People will make mistakes. My employees make mistakes. We always make it right if we know, but we'll never get it perfect. And we strive for it, but we'll never have pure perfection. So what happens is we do a lot of QA with our clients where our people reach out to see how things are going. And, hey, just checking in, how's your employee, how are your employees doing, this, that. And we always get one of three responses. Neutral, yeah, everything's fine, right? Ecstatic, oh my God, we're so happy. Or pissed, my employee screwed up, I'm not happy. Okay, how can we make it right? Okay. But now, because we built this culture, we don't have clients and prospects. We have clients and prospects fans, okay? So if somebody says, yeah, I'm not happy, they'll say, well, I'm not happy with my VA, but we love you guys. Or, oh, we're not happy with your VA, but we love 123 Employee. Or we're not happy with our VA, but we love Daven, okay? And that allows us to fix that, right? Because, it's hard. If a customer is unhappy, it's hard to get them happy again. If you do get them happy again, you get to move them to a new level of happiness. A lot of people don't realize that.
Most of the time, if they're not happy, you don't hear anything.
And that's a problem, right? Which is why we're on top of it. But a lot of people don't realize in customer service, a bad customer service situation can allow you to catapult that client into turning him into a stark raving fan. And I'll give you an example. So let's say that you own a restaurant and you have somebody that comes in on a regular basis. They love your restaurant. They're a fan. And then one night they come in, it's just a super busy night, you're understaffed, they get terrible service, terrible food, they wait an hour to get their food, the food comes out wrong, and they're pissed, right? You're aware of it because you do have good customer service. You're troubleshooting, right? So you're aware of it. And you come to the table, or better yet, they complain. And now you're the owner or the manager, and you go to the table and say, yeah, the food came out cold. It's not what we ordered. It took too long. I'm so sorry. We were totally understaffed tonight, and we were just super packed. We really, really value your patronage. And you know what? Tonight's meal is on the house. It's on us, and we really, I'm so sorry. They walk away, and all of a sudden, that patron who's pissed as hell is like, you know what? That Daven, he's awesome. You know what? I love this restaurant. That's why I love this, because they're on top of it. And now he's going to go out and tell that story every time. Like for the next week, he's going to talk about that story. And every time the restaurant comes up, he's going to tell that story. And so you can take a bad customer service situation and take a client that loved you to turning them into an advocate, right?
And usually they're pissed because they they need your service.
Yeah, absolutely. And so many people don't realize that. A lot of people think, you piss off a client, well, fuck them, I'll move on to the next client. That is the worst thing you could do. That's an opportunity to create a fan.
Right.
And so what is amazing, we never knew this part was going to happen, but as a result of a decade of this kind of process, we have stark raving fan, hundreds of thousands of stark raving fan customers, prospect, followers of Daven and 123 Employee all over the globe. And so it's pretty neat.